most fried recipe in the world. Number 5, spring rolls, China. Spring rolls are a type of deep-fried snack that originated in China and are now popular in many countries around the world. They are made by wrapping a filling, such as vegetables or meat, in a thin sheet of dough, which is then deep-fried until it is crisp and golden brown. Spring rolls can be served as a snack or appetizer, and are often accompanied by a dipping sauce, such as sweet and sour sauce or soy sauce. Number 4, Arancini, Italy. Arancini are deep-fried rice balls that are popular in Italy. They are made by filling a ball of risotto with cheese and other fillings, such as meat or vegetables, coating it in breadcrumbs, and then deep-frying it until it is golden brown. Arancini are often served as a snack or appetizer, and are usually accompanied by a side of marinara sauce for dipping. Number 3, fish and chips, United Kingdom. Fish and chips is a traditional British dish of deep-fried fish, usually cod or haddock, and chips, thick-cut deep-fried potatoes. The fish is coated in a mixture of flour, water, and beer, called batter, before being deep-fried, while the chips are simply sliced potatoes that are deep-fried until they are crisp and golden brown. Fish and chips are usually served with malt vinegar and a side of mushy peas. Number 2, chicken fingers, United States. Chicken fingers, also known as chicken tenders or chicken strips, are a popular fried food in the United States. They are made by slicing chicken breast into thin strips, coating them in a mixture of flour, spices, and breadcrumbs. Chicken fingers are usually served with a dipping sauce, such as barbecue sauce or ranch dressing. They are traditionally topped with cheese, barbecue sauce. Number 1, tempura, Japan. Tempura is a Japanese dish of battered and deep-fried seafood or vegetables. It is typically made by mixing water, flour, and egg to create a thin batter, which is then used to coat the seafood or vegetables. The coated ingredients are then deep-fried in a pot of oil until they are crisp and golden brown. Tempura is often served with a side of tentsuyu, a dipping sauce made from mirin, sake, and dashi, or grated daikon radish. Special mention, onion rings. Onion rings are a popular fried snack made from slices of onions that are coated in a breading or batter, then deep-fried until crispy and golden brown. They are often served as a side dish or appetizer. It can be found on the menus of many fast food chains and restaurants. Some people like to dip their onion rings in sauce, such as ketchup, ranch dressing, or barbecue sauce, while others prefer to eat them plain. Onion rings can also be made at home by cutting onions into thin slices, then dipping them in a batter or breading, and frying them in hot oil. Some food historians believe that the first onion rings were served at a restaurant called the Cuisine of Hungary, which was located in New York City.